If Telegram is showing the message, an error occurred, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This issue can happen for a lot of reasons, including a temporary app glitch, a bad internet connection, or even a corrupted desktop installation. The good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes and helpful software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is restart Telegram properly. Don't just close the window, make sure the app is completely shut down. On Windows, look down in the system tray near the clock, find the Telegram icon, right-click it, and choose Quit or Exit. On a Mac, make sure Telegram is fully closed from the menu bar or by quitting the app completely. Once Telegram is fully closed, wait a few seconds, then reopen it. This simple restart can clear minor temporary errors and refresh the connection. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Telegram needs a stable connection to communicate with its servers, so even a small network problem can trigger an error message. Try switching between Wi-Fi and a wired connection if that's available. If you're already on Wi-Fi, try connecting through Ethernet if you can. If you're on Ethernet, try switching to another Wi-Fi network. You should also check whether a VPN is active because some VPNs can block or slow down Telegram servers. If you're using one, turn it off temporarily and try Telegram again. If that fixes the issue, then the VPN was most likely the cause. If Telegram still isn't working, the next step is to clear out the app completely by reinstalling it. This is especially useful if the desktop app has corrupted files or a damaged installation. First, uninstall Telegram Desktop from your computer. On Windows, go to Settings, then Apps, find Telegram Desktop and uninstall it. On a Mac, drag the app to the trash if needed and remove it properly. After that, go to the official Telegram Desktop website and download a fresh copy of the app. Install the newest version, launch it again, and sign back in. A clean reinstall often fixes stubborn errors that won't go away with a normal restart. Once you've done these steps, Telegram should load properly again. In most cases, restarting the app, checking your connection, and reinstalling the desktop version will solve the "an error occurred" message. If the issue comes back later, it's worth checking for network restrictions, firewall settings, or app updates as well. I hope this video helped you fix Telegram quickly. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.